Okay, I got this thing fixed now. Four-wheel drive works. Got the dash back together. Got this pulley up here replaced. Tensioner pulley. And now it's time to see if we can't make this thing look better under here, because it looks pretty ugly. Alright, my weapon of choice for this is always simple green. We're just gonna let this thing have it under here. The other good thing about this stuff is it doesn't stink. It smells alright. Well, at least it does to me. Whew. My hand's about sick of pumping this. Good thing we're about done. Alright, so I just went and got my Orts cleaner scrubber. Let's get this a little bit more. Good enough, right? That's way better than it was. Oh, we're gonna take it for a little drive and let it dry off a smidge. All I use in this video is simple green and this stuff here. Oh, and water. As I'm going through my footage that I filmed for this thing, apparently I didn't come back around and film the after. So it's seriously been, that was in January. It is now March 2nd. 2 more days till Dream Theater, by the way. So I don't know what it looks like right now. We're gonna look anyway. Alright, looks like we might need to put a little more 303 on that. I just went to the wrecking yard yesterday and bought one of those because every time you even look at this, you get black all over your hands. I'm gonna grab that 303 while I'm here. This is it right here. It is basically, I refer to it as Armor All on steroids. It's made right here in the United States. At least it was when I bought this like about 2 years ago. All right. The next project for this is going to be replacing that clutch pulley assembly. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching another episode. Peace out. Have a great week.